Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number is 1877. Minimize maximum pairs sum in array. The pair sum of a pair and A and B is equal to A plus B. The maximum pair sum is the largest pair sum in the list of pairs. Given an array nums of even length n, pair up the elements of nums into n divided to two pairs such that each element of nums is an exactly one pair and the maximum pair sum is minimized. Returns the minimized maximum pair sum after optimally pairing up the elements. Let's check the examples. In the example 1, we see an array with four numbers 3, 5, 2, 3. You can see that if we pick up the maximum element, it's 5. To get minimum pair sum, we need to pick up the minimum elements and add it to 5. In our case, it's 2. So to get optimized pair, we need to get maximum element and add the minimum element to it. And after, we need to pick up second element after maximum and add the second element after minimum, and so on. So first of all, we need to sort the input array nums so we can easily get maximum and minimum elements. Let's do it. To sort array in Python, we can use method sort. After, we need to define some variable for result. Here we will keep the maximum pair sum and return it. Else, it can be helpful to get number of elements in nums. So let's define it. After it, we need to check all pairs. To do it, we need use a loop and goes through indexes from 0 to n divided by 2 and get two opposite elements from maximum side and from minimum side. Let's do it. For I in range n divided by 2, current pair sum equal to nums of I plus opposite element nums of n minus I minus 1. For instance, for I equal to 0, nums of I will be 0 nums, and the opposite element will be nums of n minus 1. And finally, we need to update result. It will be maximum of current result and pair sum. So after we check all elements, we will get the maximum value of pair sum in the result variable and return it. Let's check the tests. Test passed. Let's submit it. it works and pretty efficient. So finally, let's check and analyze the time complexity of this algorithm. First action was the sorting. The sort algorithm has time complexity of n log n. Second part, we we go through all elements in array, so it has time complexity of n. So total time complexity is n log n plus n. In big O notation, we use only the most significant part of expression. So in our case, total time complexity is n log n. So it's pretty good result and good complexity. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.